How to create long passwords that are easy to remember. Hi, this is sanjeevjain from CEOITBOX. So this is one biggest problem that all of us face, that we need to have multiple passwords, and as per the security requirements, these must be long. If they are very short, they are very easily hacked. So how can you create a different password each time and also remember it? And I am also going to share an amazing technique that can actually do manifestation for you. So if you are a follower of law of attraction, so automatically you will be doing manifestation or following the law of attraction every time you put in a password. So let's get started. So, okay, here on my screen, you can see. So one easy way to create a password is to start with your, your favorite actor. So my favorite actor is Amitabh. So you can type it like this. Maybe if you want, you can also, and you can also say like this, my favorite film is. So this way, it's such a long password, and whatever is your favorite actor, your favorite picture, your favorite gadget, whatever it is, it is impossible to break, because with so many characters, it is nearly impossible to break this. And now coming to another amazing technique. So it can be your favorite song, favorite actor. It is totally up to you. Okay. Another amazing technique that I'm going to tell you is to create a manifestation password. So whatever you desire. So the whatever is your target. So suppose the target is this year, target for this year is 420 CR. Okay, now how will you forget this, right? 2000 customers in 2022. Okay, 1000 packs in my webinar. Okay, so anything you want, anything. Okay, so annual salary is 24. Okay, so get 25 to 50% hike. So how will you forget this, guys? Okay, so you can mix in, you can mix in words, you can mix in digits, and I think that's it. Very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple technique. I've told you, very, very easy to remember these long passwords. And every time when you enter the password, so you will be doing manifestation, because according to the law of attraction, manifestation. So whatever you think about, that becomes reality. So by thinking about it every time, whenever you're entering your Google account, whenever you're entering your laptop, so every time you're attracting lovely things into your life. I hope you like this tip.